In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform addition operation on positive and negative numbers. So in the example we have on the board, -1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So how did we arrive at this 0? -1 plus 1 equals to 0. On the number line, if we start from -1, negative numbers are on the left side of the number line after 0. Sorry, on the left side of 0 on the number line. All the numbers on the left side of 0 on the number line are all negative numbers. All the numbers on the right side of 0 on the number line are all positive numbers. So in this example, if we start at -1 and then we move 1 unit to the right, that means we are adding 1 to -1. So if we add 1 to -1, if we move from -1, 1 unit to the right, we are going to stop at 0. Therefore, -1 plus 1 is equal to 0. -1 plus -1, the result is -2. So how did we arrive at -2? On the number line, if we start at -1, every interval on the number line on the left side of 0, every interval is -1. So from here to here is -1, from here to here is -1. So every interval is -1. So if we move from -1, 1 unit to the left, we are going to stop at -2. Therefore, -1 plus -1 is -2. So if we start from -1 and then we move 1 unit to the left of -1, we are going to stop at -2. So that is how we arrive at this -2 here. So -1 plus -1 is -2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. On the number line, if we start from +1 and then we move 1 unit to the right of +1, on the positive side of the number line, each interval is 1 unit. Each interval is 1 unit, positive 1 unit. So if we start from 1 and we move 1 unit to the right, we are going to stop at 2, number 2, positive 2. Therefore, 1 plus 1, 1 plus an additional 1 unit is equal to 2 units, positive 2 units. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. On the number line, if we start at 0 and then we move 1 unit to the right of the number line, since each interval is 1, since each interval is 1 unit, if we start at 0 and then we move 1 unit to the right, we are going to stop at 1. Therefore, 1 plus 0 is 1. So if we add nothing to 1, the result is 1. Right? Or if we add 1 to 0 on the number line, the result is 1. -1 plus 0. So if we start at point 0 and then we move 1 unit to the left, we are going to stop at -1. So 0 plus -1, the result is -1. We start at 0, we move 1 unit to the left of 0, we stop at -1. The result is -1. -1 plus 0 is -1. Negative 1 plus nothing, the result is still negative 1. 1 plus negative 1, positive 1 plus negative 1. So if we have positive 1, we start from positive 1 here, and we move 1 unit to the left. That means we are taking away 1 from positive 1. So the result is going to be 0. So we are going to stop at point 0. So positive 1, we move 1 unit to the left of 1. The result is 0. We stop at 0. We take away 1 from 1. The result is 0. 0 plus negative 1. So if we start at point 0, and then we move 1 unit to the left, since each interval here is negative 1, we're going to stop at negative 1. So we start at point 0, we move 1 unit to the left, we're going to stop at negative 1. So the result is also negative 1. So if we add nothing to negative 1, the result still remains negative 1. So if this video is helpful, follow me on Facebook, like my post, share, and post your comment or your questions in the comment section. Keep watching.